In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a video on Reddit. If you want to share a clip with a specific community on Reddit, the process is pretty straightforward once you know where everything is. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. First, go to Reddit in your web browser. Make sure you're signed into your account before you begin, since you'll need to be logged in to create and publish a post. Once you are on the Reddit homepage, take a look toward the top right area of the screen. There, click the Create button. This opens the post creation page where you can choose what kind of content you want to share. Reddit supports different post formats, so this is the place where you'll set up your video post properly. Next, select the community where you want your video to be posted. This part is important because every subreddit has its own topic, audience, and posting rules. Choose the community that best matches your video content. If you're not sure, it's always a good idea to quickly review that subreddit's guidelines before posting, just to make sure video posts are allowed and your content fits what the community expects. After choosing the community, select the images and video option. This tells Reddit that you want to load visual media instead of making a text-only post or sharing a link. Once you choose that option, the upload area will appear and you'll be ready to prepare the post itself. Now, enter a title for your post. Your title should be clear and descriptive so people immediately understand what your video is about. A good title can help your post get more attention, but it's best to keep it natural and accurate rather than overly exaggerated. Just describe the video in a way that fits the style of the community you're posting in. Finally, drag and drop your video into the upload area or use the upload option to select the file from your device. Once the video is attached, take a quick moment to review everything. Double check that you picked the right community, added the correct title, and uploaded the intended file. When everything looks good, click post, and that's it. Your video will be submitted to Reddit and shared with the community you selected. If you found this helpful, feel free to follow along with the same steps the next time you want to upload a video, and you'll be able to do it quickly and confidently.